Moien and Wëllkomm op mingem Kanal. Hello and welcome to my channel Luxembourgish with Anne. I'm Anne, your Luxembourgish teacher. Now, do you want to learn Luxembourgish? Or maybe you want to take your Luxembourgish to the next level? Or maybe you want to improve your current level of Luxembourgish, so to take maybe a Luxembourgish language test in the upcoming future. Then no worries, I am here to help you. Now, thanks to my fascination for Luxembourgish, I help since 2012 as an experienced Luxembourgish language coach any motivated person for learning the Luxembourgish language. Now, Luxembourgish with Anne is the place where I share all my knowledge about the Luxembourgish language and as well useful learning tips, and this all for free. Now, on this channel, you can find lessons for absolute beginners, lessons about the Luxembourgish pronunciation, as well lessons for intermediate learners and useful tips about the Sprachentest. Now, if you are on my channel, you can either click videos and so you have a list of all my videos, or if you prefer just to have lessons about the pronunciation, for example, you click on playlist and there you can select the playlist which interests you. Alles klar? Everything is clear? Bist du bereit? Are you ready? Dann los!